how you can get money back on Blockfi. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to get your money back on Blockfi. All you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you can try withdrawing it from your Blockfi interest account. If you're unable to do the withdrawal process, you should have got a notice by mail about the bankrupt. Be sure that you have updated your account information with Blockfi with the role legal team as well. If you had an interest deposit, you did not have to submit a claim. Sometimes a proportion of your deposit will be available to withdraw. Clear how much is actually unclear and could be 10% or could be 20%. Ultimately, most US interest account holders are eliminated to recover at least 39% of their deposit. Hopefully more depending on court cases and settlement with 3ACs and FTX etc. as well. If you're unable to do any of these procedures, then you can go ahead and contact the support team, state about the issue, and you should be able to withdraw your money from Blockfi. So that is how you can get your money back. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.